Why is the Moscow Metro known as the Palace of the People? The Moscow Metro, opened in 1935, is famous for its luxurious architecture. Stations like Komsomolskaya and Mayakovskaya are decorated with chandeliers, marble floors, and intricate mosaics. This design was intentional. Joseph Stalin wanted the metro to symbolize Soviet strength and pride. Each station looks like an underground museum, with themes celebrating Russian history and culture. It's not just a transport system. It's a work of art.